Howdy. You know, had this out the other day trying out this Aguila ammo. Cleaned the magazine, took it apart. Seemed to do well. I'm going to test fire it again. I'm going to shoot 10 and hit. And I'm going to shoot 25 in the DX 25. Then I'm going to shoot 9 in the Rough Rider. Heritage pistol. Revolver. It's a little bit cool out here today. So I got my coat on. I believe it's blackberry winter. There's some blackberries out there where the bushes bloomed out. So after all the test firing here, I'm gonna maybe set up a target, do a little accuracy test. Right now we just do liability test. Adjust it down on toward the milk jug just there. But here we go. Hope you can see this good. That's 10 rounds. It was a dirty magazine. If you watched the other video, hit jammed on the first shot, that was 10 rounds. No misfires. Let's try the 25 VX there, so I think it could be a failure too. Alright. Here we go. So, that was all clear. No failures there, huh? Let's try the Rough Rider. Nine. Should be an it. Safety's on. Chamber's clear. Safety's on. Well, worked good. Aguila means eagle. But the cleaning of the magazine was the problem. It's a 36-year-old magazine. That just need to be clean. Well, I'm going to set up a target out there and I'm going to check for a little bit of accuracy. According to this rangefinder, that's 36 yards. I set up a good target. And it is the next day. And boy, it's kind of cool. We're calling for a freeze. But, I'm going to shoot. See where she hit. 36 yards. That's an odd number. Even number. Bucket shot low. Yeah. Got a little low there. But MOA. Here's the Vangle. Duplex rifle. Aha. There we go. Try one more on the plate. That was it. Give me a second and I'll put 3 or 4 more in there. Wow. There's all of them. Chamber's empty. Say so. I'll go up there and get that target. We'll take a look at it. That is a MOA scope 2-foot reticle. Bushnell, that is a 4 of 32 feet. Yeah. I ran out of ammo before I hit this one, but I was under shooting that thing. You'd say hit 3. I didn't have no more ammo and equip on this one. And that ain't too bad, 36 yards. The high one in the red, that's after I adjusted the scope. That's shooting low. That's at 36 yards though. That ain't too bad of grouping.